Hi everyone, Cody W3AMG here with BridgeCom Systems, and today we are going to be talking about DMR. So just a little bit of quick history on DMR. DMR stands for Digital Mobile Radio. So it was developed in the early 2000s and standardized by the European Telecommunications Standards Institute. It was designed as a digital replacement for traditional analog FM. Adopted first by businesses, utilities, transportation, and public safety, and eventually amateur radio closer to 2010. Now, one of the other things that makes DMR neat is each individual user has their own ID. That's what we refer to as a DMR ID. And that allows each person to basically have a contact or an identifier. So we can build these contact lists. And so no matter who you're talking to, you can actually see who that person is, even if you've never talked to them before. There's a whole lot of data that's able to travel along with the voice communication that's just not possible without one of these digital modes. So you're probably thinking, what does all this mean for me and my radio, right? So with the BridgeCom Maverick and DMR, what this means is you're going to be able to have far more clear conversations with people. You're going to be able to use a wider variety of repeater systems, and with linked systems such as hotspots and DMR repeaters that are linked up to a network, you're going to be able to talk to people all around the world.